Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello YouTubers, how are you? I think you are good. I'm fine. My name is MD Sohanur Rahman Suhel. I will show you now Python 3 nong tutorial. We will take some ideas today. Integer number, floating point number, variable name and Boolean value. Let's start. Write your print statement. Quotes inside the parentheses. You can also give single quotes or double quotes. It's not a problem. Your name or whatever you want to write in. Run this program. See, it runs very well without any kind of error. Let's see how to design a dog. Print parentheses quotes O4 hyphen. Again print parentheses quotes 4 pipe side. Run the program. See little imaginary dogs. Python code is executed here line by line. So Python interpreted that this program interpret the Python code. Multiple instructions, print statement, parentheses, quotes, asterisk tense. Run the program. See, here are 10 asterisks. Here change asterisk and write P. See, here 10P. Change the P here, write the small a. See, here 10A. Now if you change the small a, write this in uppercase. See, here are 10 uppercase a swing. We will now know about Python programming memory for variables. We now write a variable name. The error is shown below the word. Why is this problem? Because we gave space for writing. There will be no space here. If we underscore here, then do not show error. Now let us write a print statement. See that there is no need for quotes in the variable name. Now run the program. See the value of the variable as well, it look exactly the same. Now we set another variable value. See here, but the big value is showing, not showing small value. Here's the value that's built around. That's an integer number, that's the number without the decimal point. Now write a floating point number. Now the variable is writing a string. Here we write different value, Boolean values. Seeing this is due to the wrong writing, so here show error. Now see, there are no problems. Now I have not writing the wrong. Why the fall? Because we write the first lowercase letter. Now write the uppercase letter. There is no problem at all. We got to learn integer number, floating point number, variable name, Boolean value. Thank you very much. Looking for full video. Learn and practice all videos in this way. To view all the videos, subscribe and click the bell icon. This is the end of today. I will bring a new program about Python in the next video. Goodbye.